how do you talk to some of your customers or carrier partners about ROI, but then also some of those other benefits?
Yeah, so we look at ROI through two lenses, right? Quantitative, for sure. You have to talk about payback, the money, and how that looks. And we actually have models that we work with our clients to work through those cost benefit analysis, right? So quantitative, super important, but I think you're really focused on the qualitative piece, and there's a lot in our space. When I think of the qualitative benefits of what we do and the impact that technology is having, you're talking about driver satisfaction and retention, right? Technology plays a heavy role in that. You have faster customer response times, absolutely critical, right? Critical to have that open two-way communication, and we could talk about that later with clients, but have that faster response time. You have better safety engagements and fewer accidents, improved compliance, and time saved, right? That's the biggest qualitative piece that we actually take it and try to make it quantitative and build it into the models, because it saves tremendous time, which has a significant payback for the organization.